Let's be real for a second. Building a business can be lonely. Most of us are figuring things out as we go, trying new things, making mistakes, and learning lessons the hard way. And yet, these experiences create some of the most valuable business stories that just never get shared. And that's exactly why we started the podcast. Not to talk to people who's got all the answers, not to showcase overnight success stories and billionaires, although that would be nice, but to share the raw, the mistakes, the wins, the setbacks, the lessons learned from actually being in the trenches. And that's where you come in. If you are building a business, running a side hustle, growing a community, or solving problems in your industry, or simply just showing up every day doing the work, I'd love to hear your story. You don't need to have everything figured out. In fact, that's the whole point. Because every founder starts clueless. Every entrepreneur faces challenges. And every builder has a story that could help someone else take their next step. So our mission is simple: to share the stories of the people building businesses in South Africa, to learn from each other, to encourage each other. Let's share your story, let's celebrate the builders, and let's build something incredible together. I'm Craig, the Clueless founder. I show up scared, but I show up anyway.